Hi everyone. So this is my first mukbang, officially like from beginning to start. So I've been working out really hard and I have a goal of actually losing a total of probably 50 pounds, but you gotta treat yourself. And some people said no, but I'm like, you know what? I want to. And I've figured out what I need to do to actually still lose weight and have a cheat meal or two in the weekend. That means it's going to cost me. It's going to cost me maybe not like fasting longer and also maybe working out longer hours. So I can talk more about what I'm doing, but I'm currently down 22 pounds of the 50 or almost 50. It was going to be almost 50 pounds. And that would be my first goal because that's the lowest I've ever been. So I'm 26 pounds from my lowest, which is exciting because it's taken me a long time just to try to get through the threshold, right? So, but anyways, today is Saturday and on the weekends I like to treat myself and why not take myself out? It's been almost like 2 years, if not more, since I last posted a video on YouTube. I did have one for school, but this one's gonna be personal, like what I eat. And while I'm eating, maybe I'll talk about, this will be maybe my weight loss and what I'm doing, what works for me. This is a lifestyle change. I want this to be a lifestyle change, and what's working for me so far. Again, I'm 22 pounds of the 50 that I want to lose. I feel like I finally figured it out, and I'll keep you guys posted and maybe post at least one video a week. I think that would help. So here we have, if I haven't showed you, let's show you real quick. I don't even know how to edit videos. I don't even know if I can turn it. Can I turn it? No, I can't turn it. Here I have, you see two rolls, sushi rolls. We got some tempura and the dipping sauce for it, some ginger. We got some spicy mayo and some soy sauce. And over here we got some donuts. My favorite donut is maple and old fashioned for some odd reason. And then over here, I want to drink something, so I will be drinking some Coca-Cola, the 0 sugar and carbs, and then some water because I do love water and I rather, eat my calories than drink them. So, okay, put you back. Okay, let's get started. Oh my God, let's see. I don't know if I can finish it, but I will try. And I think we should start. These two sushi rolls, they both have similar stuff. One has like seaweed more than, the other one. And obviously we have some fish eggs. We have some, we got some crab, eel. We got some shrimp tempura in them. What else we got in here? Obviously some shrimp. So yeah, shrimp, crab, and tempura rice, obviously. Some spicy mayo. Oh my God, it's so good. I've been craving sushi all week, so yeah. And some ginger. Let's do maybe to clean our palate. It hasn't even started, but this is good for you. Okay, let's start with this raw right here. Look how good it looks, right? Oh, and it has a cucumber, and I think one of them has avocado. But look how pretty. So I like to dip mine in like some soy sauce, and it already has enough spicy mayo, so maybe I don't need any, but I asked just in case. So that's really good. And I eat fast. I don't think I'll eat this fast. Maybe I'll fill up in 10 minutes. So I'm hoping this video is not too long. So here we go again. There's some fish eggs. We got some crab, cucumber, shrimp tempura. And on top we have the eel with the spicy mayo. I'm gonna dip it a little bit on soy sauce. That's really good. That's really good. Now let's try the other roll. This one looks like it also has some shrimp tempura, some eel. I thought it had some avocado, but I guess no. And some seaweed. And actually seaweed is pretty good. That's pretty good. The seaweed is really good. Let's try some tempura right here. It looks like I think it's a sweet potato. So, in the sauce, why am my nose running? I'm not sure. That's pretty good. So, tempura is just fried vegetables with breaded vegetables, literally. I'm trying to think which roll I like more. Here's again the one with seaweed. I honestly don't think I need the extra spicy mayo. I'm gonna just put that away. Save that for another time. Because sometimes some do need it, but this one's covered in it. And this is good. Here's some ginger. I think I actually like, now I'm sure I know which one was which one. But this is good. This is the other roll. You know what I forgot? Bring the speakers. Seaweed. It's really good. So far, so good. And this is really good. Here you go. So good. I do not know how to edit videos, so I need to figure that one out. So this is gonna be pretty raw. No pun intended, since it's raw fish here. Is it really raw fish? No, I don't know. I don't have any salmon or anything. I don't think crab is cooked, so here's the other roll. Yeah, I can eat. That's a big piece. Some ginger. Let's see if we can get this big piece out. I mean, this is a big piece. I think it's only one. Could be two, but I'm not gonna risk it. Could this fit in my mouth? Look how big it is. It was good. Big, but good. That's what she said, huh? Here we go. Oh God, I think I'm getting full already. It's okay. I'm making some room. Cheers. Coke cereal. Excuse me. I burped. You might hear some of those. It's not that bad. I've always been a fast eater, but I don't eat a lot, but I do. I usually, so let's talk a little bit about my diet. So how I eat during the week. So the two components when it comes to weight loss is working out. When I eat, like I don't count my calories, but I do fasting. So if you guys know what fasting is when you don't eat for a period of time. There's eating windows and there's no eating windows. And you just drink water, right? So a lot of people do it, and it goes way back in the days. You know, it's even religious. People do it for religious purposes. You know, Ramadan, they don't eat. They only eat in the dark and night. They don't eat when the sun rises or sunsets. But anyways, so right now I'm eating once a day, and I'm pretty sure I eat enough, like around 13 to 15, I would say 13 to 15 calories, and I'm working out every day. And I try to keep it low carb as much as possible. Sometimes I crave candy and I have a little piece of candy, but that's it. And I'm working out. I'm doing cardio and some weights. Let me eat this. This is broccoli. This is a broccoli tempura. I have my veggies. I'm eating my veggies, right? And I'm actually working out every day. People say you need a day off, but because I want to eat like on the weekends and have fun, I will only eat this. That's it. I won't eat any more than this. I'm pretty sure I'm looking at least up 2,000 calories here. I don't know if I can finish it all, but I'll do my best. But that means I already worked out for 2 hours and burned at least 1,000 calories, if not more. And in order to gain like a pound, you need to have 3,000 calories more. I'm sure tomorrow I'll weigh a little bit more. But it's okay because I'm going to do probably 2.5 hours tomorrow workout. And that's fine. That's what the sacrifice I have to do to eat maybe a little bit on the weekends. So, cheers. I was only working out once a day. A good workout, burning maybe 600 calories. Every workout is anywhere from 500 to 600 calories. The low is like 450. Like that's my worst days. So today I did 2 hours, which is about 1,000. Like I said, it was a little bit more than 1,000. I was super tired, but I felt good. So if you think about it, I already burned 1,000. I probably just had, I don't know, 600, 700 right now. I'm getting full. I probably can't finish all this. But but I'll do my best to eat, because I can eat. Not as much as I'd like to, but I can eat. And so, like I said, I work out every day and I eat once a day, usually around breakfast time. Latest lunchtime, I try not to eat dinner, because dinner, you're going to go to bed soon. So I eat anywhere from 8 to 12. That's like my eating window. And I try to finish eating between an hour to 2 hours. So, and it's always different because life happens, right? But if someone wants to take me out and we all like, oh, let's go out, I'll just keep it low carb, and I'm like, okay, I plan my day. So let me know in advance so then I can plan my calories accordingly. So, I just spilled my soy sauce. This is what I was trying to figure out what it was. Can't remember. I just spilled all my soy sauce. It's good. Shouldn't have had my soy sauce. I don't really need it. It's actually pretty good. Oops. Trying to figure out what it is. It tastes like potato. I think it's good though. I think I'm full. I think I'm gonna save this. Okay, I eat like half of it. Okay, one more piece of roll. Look at this. This one's, I think, my favorite. Because I still want my donut. I probably should be fine with one roll. And I'm trying to figure out what this one is. I'm pretty sure this is sweet potato. I can't finish it all. But this one's my favorite. Whatever this is. I think it's in the family of the potato. Wonder what it is. Someone want to tell me? Let me know. It's my favorite. Okay. Oh, sure. Maybe I'll give this to my sister. Okay. I'm done, you guys. That I can eat it all. Sometimes I feel like I have a bigger appetite than I do. But I pretty much ate half of it. If not, actually a little bit more. Now, let's try this end with some sweetness. Let me get a rinse. Excuse me. Excuse me. It's a soda. I just remembered soda carbonation makes me burp. Sorry. So this is my favorite donut. I feel like it got smaller. It's all right. And this is what I want to end. So. I'll be working out hard tomorrow. Depending on tomorrow, how my day goes. I'll probably either fast or eat healthy. We'll see. Supposed to go on a date, but we'll see if that happens. I'm not sure. Anything is possible. Woo. It's nice and soft. Of course, it's Dunkin'. Thank you for joining me for my first official mukbang from beginning to end. I'm done. I'm gonna need some water now. Water. I get full in 20 minutes. There you go. I did talk a little bit, but until next time, we'll see what I eat for my next cheat meal.